I've been using Copilot to help me every day. And one thing I had it do was make me sample data for the energy industry. And it came up with a complex workbook, as you can see. And it even pulled out company names. Many of these companies you are probably familiar with. But look at the complexity of this. So that's one power of AI. But even better, is I had it simulate a real life work situation. So here's my scenario. These are monthly worksheets, and my boss wants to ask me a question about outages by region. Okay, this could be a complex formula. I want Copilot to help me with this. So let's try it. What I used to do was spend a lot of time trying to explain what I want. Now, look at what it can do for us. All right, it did the work for me, wrote a formula, and it actually explains what it's doing. Let me go ahead and hit done, and it even will do the work for all the other ones. Let's say yes. All right. So when your boss asks you a challenging question about a set of data, you no longer have to figure out how to analyze it. Let Copilot do the work for you. Wow, a powerful use of Copilot. And did you watch? It even formatted it for me. So thank you, Microsoft, for making all of our jobs easier.